Karma is the invisible thread connecting every action to its consequence. Every action, no matter how small, creates a ripple effect in life. In ancient traditions, these ripples are recognized as karma. Karma is first recorded in Hindu texts like the Upanishads and Bhagavad Gita. Buddhist teachings describe karma as actions driven by intentionality, influencing rebirth. Intentional actions leave lasting effects on present and future circumstances. Karma is impartial and natural, not punishment or reward. These threads illustrate how interconnected all beings and actions are. Awareness of karma encourages mindfulness in thought, word, and deed. Just like water, actions branch outward, affecting multiple aspects of life. Texts like the Bhagavad Gita define karma as intentional action with consequences. Karma operates across lifetimes, influencing the cycle of rebirth. There are 3 types of karma: sanchita, accumulated; prarabdha, current; and kriyamana, being created. Actions planted today will grow into future experiences like seeds in soil. The results of actions ripple outward, connecting with others and the environment. Karma is linked to dharma, the natural order and duty in life. Intentionality is key. Karma is determined by deliberate, conscious action. Actions without mindfulness may create unintended karmic consequences. Karma unfolds over time, often beyond immediate perception. The law of karma is impersonal, natural consequence, not divine punishment. Sanchita karma represents all accumulated actions from past lives, stored invisibly. Prarabdha karma is that portion influencing the current life circumstances. Kriyamana karma is being created in the present moment through intentional deeds. Karma interconnects all actions and life forms, forming a web of cause and effect. Mindful actions strengthen positive karmic outcomes. Every action sets off a sequence of natural consequences. The results of karma may manifest slowly, over time or even across lifetimes. Karma is intertwined with dharma, the natural duty or ethical path of life. Intentional action shapes the thread connecting past, present, and future experiences. Karma branches out like water, influencing multiple paths simultaneously. Awareness of karma encourages mindful choices in daily life. Even small actions generate effects larger than we perceive. Karma is universal, linking all beings and actions. Intentional action, grounded in awareness, reduces negative karmic consequences. Karma unfolds naturally, reflecting the cyclical rhythm of life. A common misconception is that karma is the same as fate. Karma is not fixed. Present actions influence outcomes. Karmic effects may manifest immediately or over long periods. Karma is impartial, not controlled by gods or judgment. Intentional, mindful actions reduce negative consequences. Karma can lead to challenges or blessings depending on ethical alignment. Positive actions nurture future growth in self and others. Even past misdeeds can be transformed by conscious action. Karma emphasizes the impact of intentional acts on others. Communal actions also create ripple effects in society. Karma carries over across lifetimes, shaping rebirth according to past actions. Positive actions bloom into future opportunities and spiritual growth. Mindful choices strengthen the alignment of karma with dharma, life's natural order. Karma unfolds in cycles, connecting past, present, and future like branches of life. Actions taken now create consequences that grow over time. Karma is universal, affecting not just the individual, but the collective. Conscious awareness enhances positive karmic effects. Even minor actions create far-reaching consequences. Karma binds all beings in a shared network of cause and effect. Every choice branches into consequences, influencing life's path. Ethical alignment strengthens harmony between karma and dharma. Karmic consequences can appear subtle, spreading gradually over time. Intentional, mindful action creates enduring positive influence. Karma operates beyond Earth, as a universal principle of cause and effect. Awareness allows conscious navigation of karmic consequences. Small actions grow into larger consequences over time. Positive karma accumulates gradually, creating visible outcomes. Negative or unmindful actions transform over time into consequences to be addressed. Life is a cycle of actions and reactions, shaping future experience. Every deed contributes to a larger karmic web affecting all life. Karma extends beyond the individual to influence communities and society. Mindful awareness enhances positive ripple effects. Karma branches from each choice, influencing multiple paths simultaneously. Intentional actions weave structured outcomes in life. Karma acts as a natural law of cause and effect, impersonal yet consistent. Ethical alignment with Dharma enhances positive karmic flow. Actions resonate beyond immediate surroundings, influencing the wider universe. Intentional action leaves visible and invisible traces in the karmic web. Each decision branches outward, shaping multiple outcomes. Mindful action strengthens the connection between karma and dharma. Actions transcend time and space, influencing future cycles. Awareness allows conscious navigation of karmic patterns. Karma unfolds in patterns, both subtle and visible. Intentional deeds contribute to the collective karmic web. Karma is universal, connecting life across space and time. Consciousness amplifies positive karmic influence. Every action plants the seed of future consequence. Karma spreads outward, affecting multiple life paths simultaneously. The law of cause and effect applies universally, without bias or judgment. Understanding karma allows conscious and mindful living. Intentional actions have amplified effects across life and universe. Karma reflects the interconnection of all conscious beings. Patterns of action and consequence unfold naturally over time. Conscious alignment guides positive karmic outcomes. Karma binds life in a universal web of cause and effect. Recognition of karma allows conscious navigation of life's patterns. Karma unfolds cyclically, connecting all aspects of life. Mindful actions shape the trajectory of life's karmic flow. Every intentional action leaves a lasting imprint. Awareness amplifies positive karmic influence. Karma is universal and impartial, applying to all life forms. Patterns of cause and effect unfold naturally, beyond immediate perception. Conscious living aligns actions with Dharma, creating beneficial outcomes. Karma weaves all beings into an interconnected universal web. Understanding karma allows mindful living, connecting each action to its ripple across existence. All actions, thoughts, and intentions interconnect across life and universe. Awareness allows conscious navigation of karmic flow. Each intentional action plants a potential future. Recognition of karma is key to conscious living. Small acts resonate beyond immediate perception. Karma unfolds in patterns, sometimes subtle, sometimes visible. Consequences consolidate naturally from the actions that created them. Karma reflects the cyclical nature of life, death, and rebirth. Conscious action aligns with natural law, influencing personal and collective outcomes. All beings are bound by the law of cause and effect. Karma is the universal principle of action and consequence, guiding life across time, space, and consciousness. Understanding karma allows mindful living, connecting every action with its ripple across existence.